Namaskaram, this is Yogi Shashank. I hope you all are fine. So, we welcome you on our day 5 yoga. This is the day yoga to produce the heat inside the body so that you can actually intense yourself. Okay, so let's get start the video. So, first, we're going to start our pose, which is called half butterfly or Ardha Titli Asana. Okay, so to perform that, bring your left leg inside, you mean just to bend it, and just grab the outer feet with the left hand and adjust it over the right thigh. Okay, adjust yourself first. Remember keeping the spine straight. Adjust. You can remove the buttocks, the flash of the buttocks, sorry. Adjust. Grab it tightly and inhale. Lift. Try to touch your knee towards the chest and exhale down. Push it down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale last. Hold here for 3 beats. 1, 2, and 3. Just to give the stretch to these muscles, which is called gastrocnemius or gluteus maximus, and exhale down. Relax. Hold 3 beats. 1, 2, and 3. Relax. Switch the side. Bend the leg and put it above the left thigh. Okay, so inhale first. Up. Look straight. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Hold for 3 breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale down. Hold 1, 2, and 3. Keeping the legs straight. Both legs straight and relax the legs. Shake the legs first to relax them because you already activated that legs. Now bend both legs and put in Pada Konasana in butterfly pose. I'm showing you like a beginner pose, so I'm just making a gap inside the legs. Okay. Interlace the fingers just underneath the toes, keeping the spine straight and relax. First here, naturally keep the knees going down, keeping the spine straight and relax. Interlace well and then start your butterfly normally for up to 30 seconds. If you are very beginner or you don't know how to do it, so you can like your knees are here, so you can drop it down very slowly. 1, up, down, down. But if you're comfortable with this, you can perform like that. You can move it a bit fast. But remember keeping the spine straight. You can close your eyes. Bring the legs more in to get more warmness, more heat side. Inhale, stop. Open the hands. Place the hands just above the knees. Inhale up. Exhale down. Push it down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale last round. Or exhale down. Bring the legs more inside. Okay. Gently inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. You just need to place the fingertips on the mat. You don't need to lean forward because we are preparing for beginner asanas. Stay here. Press the palms evenly. Now, naturally keep the pressing the knees going down. Walk a bit forward, walk a bit forward. Exhale back. Inhale up, the hands. Now twist yourself to the one side. I'm going to the right side, so I'm placing the left palm over the right thigh and twist the spine. One, switch, two, back and switch, three, back, four, five, and six. Relax center. Cross the legs. First, keeping the spine straight, because when you twist, your spine gets round. And exhale, open the legs. Shake the legs. So now we're gonna twist our spine once again with the straight and open legs. First, we'll go to the right side. Place your both hands on the one side and twist. One. Exhale. Two. Keeping the legs straight. Three. Four. Every single time you have to increase the timings of your staying. 5. And then 6. Relax here. Keeping the spine straight. Place the palms on the mat. If you can't, just place the fingertips. Or if you can't this, just place the hands on the thighs. Step a bit forward and then exhale. Lie down on your back. Now we'll perform the Ekapada Pavanmuktasana to give the stretch to the lower body. For that, just bend the left leg first. Interlace the leg fingers and place it over the left knee. And try to bring your left knee towards the chest, keeping this right leg straight. And hold here for 5 to 6 seconds so you can feel the stretch. If you can't feel the stretch, you are not performing well. If you want to perform well, so just feel the stretch. Exhale and switch. Right leg, bring it towards the chest, push it, and hold with giving the pressure to the interlaced fingers. 5 seconds. Switch. 3. Keeping the leg straight. Switch. Last round. And then relax. So now we will stretch the legs one by one. First we'll keep the legs straight. Inhale and then straight. If you can't grab this toe or this big toe, you can grab it here and just drop the head down first. Keeping the leg straight. Do not bend the knee. If you're feeling a bit tired, so you can bend the knee like this. But if you're not, keeping the leg straight and active. Do not point the toe. It should be flex. Exhale down. Bring it toward the chest or exhale, relax. Switching the side. Grab the big toe. Keep the leg little straight. If you can't, lift the leg. Drop the head down, exhale. Hold here. Flex the toes, keeping the knee straight. Exhale. Bring it towards the chest and drop it down. Relax. Now we will give the stretch to the hamstrings with giving the pressure to the right, left, or sides. Okay, so just grab the big toe of the left leg, drop the knee down, and exhale, open to the side. Remember that you are a beginner. You don't need to pull it like here. You have to pull the leg here or here. If you can't, grab the big toe. Just open the leg sidely, giving the support on the down side of the knee, and here, hold here. But if you can grab, or if you can grab the outer leg, so you can hold it here. Hold for 5 to 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and exhale back the leg slowly, and then flex the leg. Switching the side, you can grab the big toe or the outer heel. This time I'm grabbing the outer heel and open the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale back and relax. The last round is, or the last yoga is called Pavanmuktasana, gas releasing posture. Very beneficial for people who are suffering from obesity. Okay. So now take a deep inhale, exhale, or bring the legs closer to the chest. Interlace the fingers, interlace the elbows here, and hold here, keeping the legs point. And then exhale, legs. Lie down in Shavasana, the corpse pose, to relaxing all the muscles. Inhale and back up. So this was the video of day 5. I hope you like this. If you like the video, so please like the video and subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos. Namaskaram.